Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to review the brand new Amazfit Band 7 smartwatch. We will be seeing what we have in the boxes, the design, what materials are made of, and what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if these watches are worth buying. In the next video, we'll see how to connect these with Android and iOS, which app it uses, and what options we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The Amazfit Band 7 has an 1.47-inch AMOLED display, a battery that's 232 mAh will last around 18 days, over 100 new sport modes, and some new software tricks like always-on display for the same price and just a few extra grams of weight. For this price, the Amazfit Band 7 is ranked for the ideal fitness tracker. With a 5 ATM waterproof, multiple sports, BioTracker 3.0 biometric sensor, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress and 3-axis acceleration sensor, geomagnetic sensor, connected GPS, this watch is worth buying. Here we can see the true colors of AMOLED display. If you swipe down, we will immediately go to the menu where first we will see activity. In this page we are able to see the steps that we did today, fat burn time, standing time, burned calories and much more. One tap measurement is the second option, which we will test at the end of the video. Here in heart rate we can see the results of the last test and the charts too. Same in blood oxygen, we can see the last measurements and charts with it. Again, we will test all health options at the end of the video. Workout is another option where we can see sports like running and walking, cycling, swimming, outdoor workouts, indoor sports, dance, boxing, ball sports, water sports, winter workouts, leisure sports, board and card games and others. At the workout history we will find all the data from our workouts that we did before. Another health option is stress, where we can see the last data and we can run tests again from here. Here we have settings where we can find a lot of useful options like watch face, where we can change them in a matter of seconds. Also we can download a lot more in the app, which we will show you in the next video. Next we have time and date format, where we can change on how we are used to. In display we have the brightness, where we notice we don't have the automatic version. Screen on duration, we can adjust the seconds for the screen to shut down. In always on display we can put a face for the screen or let it follow the current watch face. Also we can schedule it or turn it on the whole time. Next we have wake on wrist movement, which is self-explanatory. This option we turn on where we want to wake the watch just by lifting the wrist. In theme style we can change the theme of the menu, which changes the style of icons. The last option is screen upon notification, which allows notification to turn on the screen. After that we have vibration. Workout detection, where we can select workouts to be detected as soon as we start. Next is preferences, where we see do not disturb, lock screen, widgets, where we can customize the order of the apps or even add more in the menu. Here we can see how they are arranged now, and at the plus sign we can add more. We can now see the app list and control center again. We can change the order of apps in shortcuts, put the ones that are more important at the top. Alexa and band language are the last options here. Back at the settings, the last option is system, where we can find restart, shut down, factory reset and about. Let's try some of the options here, starting with camera control, where we can see how well it works. Also it is time to test the health apps that we mentioned in the beginning. Starting with one tap measurement, where we have to wear the watch tight and wait for the results. Here we can see the seconds going and the results show heart rate at the top, stress is second, and in blood oxygen for some reason we don't have any data. So, this is pretty much it for the watch. I really enjoyed reviewing this model and it's a really great watch, so I really liked it. It's really easy to use, pretty fast, and has everything you would want in a watch. In the next video, we will see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which apps it uses, and what options we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.